LG V50 Think 5G release date will be later than we thought. We were expecting to see the LG V50 Think 5G phone release on April 19, after its MWC 2019 launch, but it seems problems with the handset's 5G functionality have pushed that date back. In a post on its newsroom, LG has announced that the LG V50 Think 5G's release date is going to be later, and there's no news of when we could see it. Unfortunate for anyone looking forward for LG's first 5G phone. We're expecting to see a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 5G phone. Could the OnePlus 7 have a 5G model too? What are we expecting in the iPhone 11? Why was the release date pushed back? In its announcement post, LG says it has been working with Qualcomm and domestic mobile operators to improve 5G service, which implies the phone's 5G connection wasn't working as intended. However, when we got hands-on with the LG V50 Think 5G, we found it had quite a few software issues, especially in the camera, so we'd hope LG is also working hard on straightening out the software before the phone launches. For now, we don't know when the LG V50 Think 5G will be released, as LG didn't announce an amended date, but since it opened up pre-orders in Korea in early April, we'd expect it isn't going to be pushing the date back by too long. We'll keep you updated when LG announces a new release date, so stay tuned to Tech Radar for updates to the situation.